Hi, welcome to Astadu, and your very own preteen parenting coach, Astadu Pooja is here. Today I'm going to share with you all a real life story, the story of my son, who was 1.5 years old, a very sweet and a loving baby. And of course, I was also a very loving and a caring mom, as we all are. But I don't know what had happened to my son that he started becoming very stubborn, very cranky. He used to bang his head on the floor and scream at the top of his voice. For a few days, I just took it very lightly. That could be he's doing all these, showing all these tantrums just to get something. But when he continued with this old behavior, so I was really got tensed. And then I visited my family pediatrician and I asked her that please just look at my son. I don't know why he's behaving this way. Is he having any kind of physical health problem? So she examined him and then given a look like this. Pooja, you need to consult a counselor. And I was like, counselor? For such a small child? He's just 1.5 years old. Yes, my dear, counselor. Don't worry, I know a very good counselor in the town. I'll share his number with you. So you just go and visit him. Out of respect, with due respect. Okay, I'll go and visit him. But when I was returning back to home, I was being very skeptical about a counselor for such a small baby. Okay, fine. If my pediatrician, she suggested me, so I have to go. So I took an appointment and I went to meet him. When I entered into the room, I was fully loaded with lots of questions, and that too with curiosity. Counseling for my son, that too 1.5 years old. Okay, fine. And the person was very generous. He said, please come, have a seat. So before he should say anything, I asked him, if you don't mind, sir, may I ask one question, please? How will you do the counseling of my son, who's just 1.5 years old? Then he looked at me. Ma'am, the counseling will be yours, not of your child. My counseling? But the problem is with my child. The problem is with his behavior. He's banging his head on the floor. He's screaming at the top of his voice. Not me. I completely understand the problem is with the behavior of your child. But before discussing it that, could you please tell me that when your child behave like this? Whenever he asked for something and if I said no to him, and after 2-3 no's, then he started behaving like this. And at last, I have to give it to him what he's asking for. Okay, and how many times does it happen? It happens from last 4-5 times. And when it happened for the very first time, so what you have done? He was asking for the chocolates and he used to eat a lot of chocolates. So I said, no, I won't give you now because you will just spoiling your teeth. So he said, Mama, please. I said, no. He said, please. I said, no. And then finally he started behaving in this manner. And I got so scared of that I've given him the chocolates. And then now whenever he wants anything, so he started with this behavior only. There you are. Did you notice that what kind of pattern he has developed? He has yet seen that when he was asking with the polite way, he was not getting the answer. He was not getting the things done the way he wanted to have. But he saw that when he was showing this kind of behavior, he was getting everything done in his favor. So, it is not the problem with the behavior of your child, it is a behavior you have given to him to behave in this way. Isn't it, parents, that we are the only source giving to the children to behave in this way? I would request you all to just give a thought to this. Observe the pattern that when your child has developed this habit of screaming, of banging head, of shouting at the top of his voice, And before this behavior, what kind of approach they were making. Please, just think about it. Till then, bye.